Hello students, as you know that we have read this chapter number 10, Povan and the 4 questions. Now today I will explain you paragraph wise, okay? So watch the video very attentively. In China, many years ago, there was a boy named Povan. In China, there was a boy. What was the name of the boy? Povan. This is the name of the boy. Povan meant a million pieces of gold. What is the meaning of Povan? A million pieces of gold. When he was born, who was born? When Povan was born, it was foretold. It was told before his birth that one day he is used for Povan here. Okay, he would be rich and have a million pieces of gold. Who would be rich? Povan would be rich and have a million pieces of gold one day. Povan was very generous. He gave away all his money to the poor. Soon he had neither food nor good clothes for himself. Because Povan was very generous, that's why he gave all his money to the poor, and due to this he became soon very poor. He had neither food nor good clothes for himself. One day Povan asked himself, why am I so poor? Povan asked himself, why I am so poor when my name means a million pieces of gold. What Povan asked? He asked that why am I so poor? कि मैं इतना गरीब क्यों हूँ जबकि मेरे नाम का मतलब तो million pieces of gold है. He decided to go and seek the answer from the wise goddess Kuan Yin. So he decided. उसने क्या किया? Decide किया जाने का और अपने उत्तर को ढूंढने का, अपने आंसर को सर्च करने का फ्रॉम द वाइज गॉडेस. जो वाइज गॉडेस थी कुआन इन, उनसे पूछने के लिए उसने क्या किया? एक ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्ट कर दी. Povan traveled for many days until he came to a wide and fast flowing river. Povan traveled for many days until he came to a wide, fast flowing river. You can see here the fast flowing river is this. As he stood on the riverbank deciding how to cross, a deep voice called him from the hilltop. As he was thinking that how to cross the river, a deep voice called him, and that was the voice of a great snake. Povan, are you going to see Kuan Yin? Who asked? The great snake asked that Povan, are you going to see Kuan Yin? Yes, replied Povan. When he saw a large snake appear over the hill. तब उसने क्या देखा कि एक लार्ज स्नेक अपीयर हो गया पहाड़ी के पीछे से. Would you ask Kuan Yin a question for me? Who said? The great snake said. Would you ask a question from Kuan Yin for me? Let's see the next page. Povan knew he could ask only 3 questions to Kuan Yin. That Povan knew that he could ask only 3 questions to Kuan Yin. And he had one of his own to ask, so he agreed to the snake's request. That Povan ये जानता था कि वह केवल 3 क्वेश्चन, how many questions? Only 3 questions he can ask from Kuan Yin, but he agreed to the snake's request because he know that he had to ask only 1 question and 2 questions he may ask for others. The snake said, I am 1,001 years old, yet I am not a dragon. Ask Guanin why it is so. The snake said, who said? The snake said that I am 1,001 years old. That the snake is 1,001 years old, yet he is not a dragon. वो स्नेक कहता है कि मैं 1,000 years old हूँ, 1,001 years old हूँ, और लेकिन मैं फिर भी एक ड्रैगन में नहीं बदला. Ask Guanin कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ या ऐसा क्यों है मेरे साथ. In return to Povan's kindness, the snake took him across the river on its back. उसकी काइंडनेस के बदले में स्नैक ने क्या किया, उसको अपनी बैक पर जो रिवर थी उसको क्रॉस करवा दिया. पोवन रिज्यूम्ड हिज जर्नी. पोवन ने अपनी जर्नी जारी रखी. एंड सून रीच्ड एन इन. और जल्दी ही वो एक इन मीन्स होटल, वी कैन से अ होटल. The innkeeper gave him a bowl of rice and tasty dishes. What the innkeeper gave him? The bowl of rice and tasty dishes. While eating, Povan told the innkeeper that he was going to meet Guanin. While Povan was eating, he told the innkeeper that he was going to meet Guanin. Then, ask her a question for me, who said. The innkeeper said that ask a question for me. He pleaded, my beautiful daughter cannot speak. Please ask Guanin why this is so. The innkeeper said that my beautiful daughter cannot speak. Please ask Guanin why this is so. Povan felt sorry for the innkeeper and readily agreed. पोवन बहुत ज़्यादा सॉरी फील करता है इनकीपर के लिए एंड वो एग्री हो जाता है बिकॉज ही नो दैट ही कैन आस्क 3 questions and 1 question he will ask for himself and 2 questions he may ask for others. Okay. After all, Guanin would answer 3 questions and Povan had only 1 to ask. Povan spent the night at the inn and the next morning he started his journey again. पोवन ने क्या किया, वो पूरी रात वो इनमें गुजारी और अगली मॉर्निंग अपनी जर्नी को उसने शुरू कर दिया. On the way he met a rich man. The rich man looked very sad. Why he was so sad? Let's know. He said to Povan, I have many special plants and trees in my garden. I looked after them well for 20 years. Still, none of them will flower or bear fruit. Please ask Guanin why this is so. You know that the rich man has a beautiful garden, and in the garden he has special plants and trees, and he looked after them very well for 20 years. But still none of them will flower or bear fruit. लेकिन फिर भी उन पे ना तो फ्लावर आते थे और ना ही कोई फ्रूट आता था. प्लीज आस्क, ही सेड, कि गुआनिन से पूछना कि ऐसा क्यों है. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल, हाँ मैं पूछूंगा. प्रॉमिस्ड पोवन विदाउट एनी हेसिटेशन. पोवन said, of course I will ask. And he said without any hesitation. Alas, he could ask Guanin only 3 questions. It is the sign of sorrow, and because he could ask only 3 questions and now he already has 4. Povan can ask only 3 questions, but now he has 4 questions to ask. What should he do? उसे क्या करना चाहिए? पोवन knew the answer. पोवन को आंसर पता था कि उसे क्या करना है. I have made promises to the great snake, the innkeeper and the rich man. He thinks in his mind that I have made promises to the great snake, the innkeeper and the rich man. Those promises must be kept. तो उन promises को उसे अवश्य निभाना है, तोड़ना नहीं है. Okay? Now we will see the next part, or I will explain you the next part in my next video. Okay, thank you.